Okay, so seemingly as an extension of the foyer, now we're in the formal living room. And can you explain a little bit about what went into the design process to create this area?
So when we walked into the house from the front door in the foyer, the windows and the doors were the focal point. I mean, just seeing the nature out there is so gorgeous, and right away I got a vision that that's going to be the artwork. So we did everything in a very neutral palette for our client, and even the lack of art on the walls is very, the one painting that we have is very neutral. It's a very conducive atmosphere, I think, for entertaining.
We brought in the pale blue from the foyer in here just to provide a little bit of a color statement and tie the two rooms together. So we have a blend of contemporary and traditional elements here, with rich quality hardwood frames that are inspired by antiques, but they're all new furnishings, and then some contemporary pieces which are very comfortable and child-friendly.
Kid-friendly, yeah, which is terribly important, as we said before, that it's kid-friendly.
Yeah, and because the house needs to retain elegance, but also be able to be lived in.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. So the space, the rug is silk, it's a beautiful silk carpet. The fabric is a silk, but it's a washable silk, which is very unusual. And most of it, the piano is for the children to play, and so they really use the room.
And one of the unique advantages to using an interior design company such as yourselves is you have access to a plethora of resources to get furniture and household items that most homeowners would not have access to.
Yeah, we have thousands, literally thousands. We don't usually go into the D&D in New York, except for fabrics. We go directly to the resource and we get wholesale. And then when we do like custom pieces like the chaise lounge and several other pieces, I mean, there are artists that do one-of-a-kind kind of things for us.
It's very important for us to create a unique space that is not the same as everybody else's home. So we put our own Kenneth Davis stamp on the home, but it's also reflective of our client's taste. So there's nothing out of the norm that makes our clients feel uncomfortable. Some designers will just create their own stamp. We listen to our clients, and then we bring that vision to life and make it much better.
Exactly. So that's the advantage of using Kenneth Davis is you're not just making a portfolio piece, you're making a home for the homeowner to live in.
Exactly, and that's how we built up our business.
Fantastic. So let's go through and explore more of the house.
Lovely. Let's go into the kitchen.
Sure.